Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. After iOS 15 update, iPhone battery draining very fast. Today in this video, I'm going to give you some solutions to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, turn off location services. Go to settings, then tap privacy and tap location services and turn off location services if it's turned on. Then go back to privacy and tap on tracking and also turn off allow app to request to track. Now we go for solution number 2. Go to settings, tap general, tap background app refresh, tap again background app refresh and turn off background app refresh. Now we go for solution number 3. Go to settings, tap general, tap VPN and disconnect VPN if it's connected. Number 4. If you're not using Wi-Fi, cellular data, Bluetooth, just turn off them. Go to settings, tap Wi-Fi, turn off Wi-Fi, turn off Bluetooth and also mobile data if not in use. Solution number 4. Reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. For that, go to settings, tap general, tap reset all settings, iPhone passcode required and tap again reset all settings in pop-up window to confirm your action. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.